All right, so let's talk about some varieties of potatoes that you can look for if you haven't bought any of your seed potatoes yet, that are super popular, are easy to grow, and they have high yields. Our first variety to spotlight, this is a Yukon Gold potato seed. And Yukon Gold are super popular because they are very creamy. They're great for mashed potatoes. They're also popular because it's a high yield potato. It is a mid-season potato, meaning that you can harvest it between 70 to 90 days. It has a long shelf life, so if you need to store it, you can store it. If stored properly, you can store it for a long time. And it's just, it's a classic. It goes great with everything, especially mashed potatoes. The next variety is called Kennebec, and it looks very similar to a Yukon Gold, but it seems to be a little bit more firm. It's not as creamy as far as texture of the potato. This is a high yield all-purpose potato, just like the rest of the varieties. It's very good at being disease resistant, and it's a longer growing potato. It takes 80 to 100 days to harvest, and it stores about 4 to 6 months. Called the red Pontiac potato. It's got a white flesh. It stores for a few months. This potato is really good if you have heavy soil, like a clay soil. It does very well. It also is really good for mashing, and in 90 to 120 days is the approximate harvest time for this type of potato. Our next variety of potato is called the dark Red Norland, and this is an early season potato. It has a firm white flesh, and as you can see, it's a red-skinned potato. It's good for boiling, frying, and baking. You can store this 4 to 6 months, and this will be ready in 70 to 90 days to harvest.